Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best foldable storage ottomans on Amazon. Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend as the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The third position goes to Somix Mazy Collection 30 inches folding storage ottoman bench. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Somix Mazy Collection 30 inches folding storage ottoman bench is a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to maximize space while adding functional seating to their home. Designed with a sturdy structure and a comfortable padded top, it works perfectly as a bench, footrest, or extra seat for guests. Its spacious interior compartment allows you to neatly store blankets, shoes, toys, or other household items, helping keep rooms tidy and organized without the need for additional storage furniture. One of the main advantages of this ottoman bench is its foldable design, which makes it easy to assemble in seconds and store away when not in use. This feature is especially valuable for small apartments or multi-purpose rooms where space is limited. The durable materials ensure reliable support and long-term use, while its modern design blends easily with different home decor styles. Choosing this product means investing in comfort, storage efficiency, and versatile functionality in one compact piece of furniture. Number 2 is Elasto Storage Ottoman Footrest. The Elasto Storage Ottoman Footrest is a compact and practical furniture piece designed to improve comfort while helping keep your home organized. Its cushioned top provides a comfortable place to rest your feet after a long day and also works well as an extra seat for guests. The sturdy structure supports daily use, making it a reliable addition to living rooms, bedrooms, dorms, or small apartments where multifunctional furniture is especially useful. A key advantage of this ottoman is its hidden storage compartment, which offers convenient space to store blankets, books, toys, or other household items while keeping them out of sight. Its foldable design allows quick assembly without tools and makes it easy to collapse and store when not in use, saving valuable space. Thanks to its versatility, it can function as a footrest, storage box, extra seat, or small side table, making it a smart purchase for anyone looking to combine comfort, storage, and space efficiency in one item. And the first position goes to Comfy Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. The OS Motor Folding Storage Ottoman Bench is a versatile piece of furniture that combines comfort, storage, and practicality in one. Its cushioned top provides a comfortable spot to sit or rest your feet, while the spacious interior compartment offers ample room to store blankets, pillows, toys, or other household items, helping keep living areas organized. The sturdy construction ensures it can support regular use in the living room, bedroom, hallway, or entryway. A key advantage of this ottoman is its foldable design, which allows for quick setup and easy storage when not in use, saving valuable space in smaller homes or apartments. The hidden storage keeps items neatly out of sight while remaining easily accessible, and the multifunctional design lets it serve as a seat, footrest, or storage chest. This combination of comfort, organization, and space efficiency makes it a practical addition to any home. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 foldable storage ottomans that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.